So with all of these materials, it's been a lot of fun getting into learning different processes and how different materials can combine to make something. So this is a process called scaegolia. I think I'm pronouncing that right, I don't know. But it's a mixture of plaster and pigment, and basically it's a way of marbling plaster together to create this effect, which can be polished, and it's used for floor finishes, for pillars. But this is going to be used for my granite surfaces for the bar area, which will combine with a mahogany top, and also I'm using oak and walnut. Yeah, it's going to be different throughout the building, and also I've been experimenting with concrete and taking prints and kind of bashing it about a little bit, and how basically how raw materials meet the smooth, or how a glossy material can meet a really rough surface. And so this is going to be communicated in tables that I make as well throughout the building. And I then started doing glass slumping, which was taking moulds from pictures and prints of the island of Birnbach, where the rock meets the sea, and then slumping the glass. And it's a fairly longer process, but then these are the results, and pretty satisfying. And this is going to be my big glass shower wall, bathroom wall, and it comes around, and then there's a balcony here as well. So this textured glass is going to be used for the hotel rooms. It's all going to be also going to be used for the facade of the barrels, the rack house, which stores the bourbon, and that's going to be a whole feature that runs right alongside the building. Then one of the other things, I've made a few bits in ceramics to be used for dinnerware, and the other bits I'm going to be making a bar which is kind of influenced by a barrel, the making of a barrel, and this is just the first stages of a model, and how the oak is going to be steam bent. It's going to bow out to the top. That's because that's how a barrel is made, and incorporating a surface finish behind with some sort of sparks, because that's what comes out of the barrel when you smoke it. But yeah, materials are my favourite part of this whole project, to be honest. And then this is probably the main material testing that I'm doing. So these two bits of granite, the whole thing of meeting as equals, is going to be an art, a sculpture that is right as you enter into the building, and made of the two pieces of granite. So all of this pays off into what the final design and the outcome is going to be. So yeah.